Split the given number root 6 equal to root over 5 plus 1 equal to 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. On a simple number line of bigger divisions like 1 inch, we can draw the root 5 triangle first of all. Take 2 units on the number line and then at 2 draw a perpendicular as shown here and cut 1 unit from there and join the hypotenuse of this first triangle, which is root 5. On this hypotenuse, draw a perpendicular of 1 unit measure, which is the side of the second triangle. Join the new hypotenuse and draw an arc of the same measure from the origin on the number line and complete all the numerical data. Remember that for the first triangle, you should not draw the arc on the number line because that is not your requirement here. This can be the simplest neat and clean solution in your answer sheet. Thanks for watching in my YouTube channel Modern Academic Studies.